Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn text into stunning images with the power of AI in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva app, and here don't forget to sign in with your account. If you don't have one, please you can download it for free. And here we go. You can click apps and click AI powered. Here you can scroll down, then you can try to find Fluxify, so you can bring your world to life with AI driven creativity. So here you can click use in new design, then click a canvas that you want to create as a base. Here you can describe the image that you like to create. So here, and there are three model that you can try. So here you got 20 Fluxify credits. To get more, you can open this app in your web browser, but here we can try 2 Fluxify credits. There are Fluxnel, FluxDev, and Flux Pro. Let's try with the first one, Fluxnel. The aspect ratio, you can choose the Instagram post, video, YouTube, vertical video, photography, and so on. So let's try with a Instagram post, and here you can try this. You can try this give me an idea button. Let's try with a detective reading a mysterious note under a street lamp. So let's click generate. Hang tight as we work our magic. Your design will be ready soon. And here we go. This is the Fluxify art or image that generated from text. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support the button below. See you in the next video.